Guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have another Punjab kind of village Jeep completely for restoration which has come with us, and the vehicle is completely done up and the paint work, tinkering work, everything is being done. So right now the vehicle is ready for delivery for our customer. So right now we are going to review the vehicle. So basically this vehicle had come up with the tinkering and painting work, and so we have completed the complete tinkering and painting work on this. We have painted with a pearl white paint in this. You can just check out, and all the fittings have been completely fitted. And this vehicle is coming up with a power steering, Toyota 2C turbo engine, and 31 into 10.5 into 15 tires. That's the good ride empty tires. So you can just have a look at the vehicle completely. It's very much beautiful right now and ready for the delivery for our customer. Completely, the vehicle is completely been restored with all new white pearl 2K paint, and you can just check out the fenders and the snorkel kind of pipes which have been installed. The body line is very neat and very clean. You can just check out all 5 sets of tires are empty tires with alloy wheels. You can just check out back Bolero tail lights have been installed in this, and jerry can holder is available, and also tow hook is available in this, antenna is available. So totally the vehicle is in perfect condition. So you can just check out both the sides. We have Bolero tail lights installed in this. So you can just check out the body line, it's perfectly done, and we also have shawl in this installed in this, and also army lights have been installed in this completely. Very neatly done and very much well restored. And front we'll have the halogen 4x4 installed in this, and power steering, front disc brakes. You can just check out new indicators, new headlights. Totally a perfect restored vehicle ready for delivery for our customer in Bangalore. And you can just check out the seats. The seats are the same old seats. We have not modified any seats. And the steering is a simple Momo steering installed in this, and this is coming up with the AC also. This has also been installed earlier itself, and we have restored it. The vehicle is very much mint condition at the moment. So any kinds of tinkering, painting, you can just contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can just contact us on our WhatsApp number. Our workshop name is Jeep Zone. We are located in Bangalore, and our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. For all kinds of tinkering and painting issues, both Jeep and Gypsy, you can just contact us. We will provide you good service, and we do the quality kind of works, and we restore, and we also sell Jeep Gypsies in Bangalore. Please like and subscribe our channel. Once again, requesting you to please follow our channel. On our channel name is Ex Army Jeep Gypsy Bangalore, and our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. Thank you and have a great day, guys. Thank you.